Sober October, I'm renaming it Somber October. Alright, welcome to welcome to day number 15 of Sober Vlogtober. Back in Chiang Mai, it's October 15th, 2019. I hope you're doing well wherever you are. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with how yesterday's video came out. I was up late again, working till a little before midnight. You know, traveling and doing these videos, it's pretty tough, but I did it. I'm back home, back on the regular schedule, so it should be a little bit easier. Hope you enjoyed the videos when I was traveling around northern Thailand. Sucks about my phone. I need to call Apple about that. Can't be without my phone for a long time, so that's the only thing I'm worried about. I'll probably have to ship it to Bangkok, but not sure. We'll see. We'll see what they say. The weather is pretty chilly for here. When I got off the bus, it's probably around 21 degrees Celsius, which is close to 70 degrees. So I was freezing, just wearing a t-shirt and shorts, especially coming off the bus. If you've ever been on a bus in Thailand, those things get pretty darn cold. So what's planned for today? As always, not 100% sure. I have some ideas. Today is kind of the halfway point of this project, so I'll do the weigh-in. I'll point the camera at some food, say coffee's good. I don't know, just talk to the camera. So you know what, speaking of coffee, let me get my coffee and let me get some breakfast, and we'll chat later. We'll chat on the sofa. Haven't been there in a while. Welcome. As I mentioned before, this is day number 15 to Sober Vlogtober. I am vlogging every single day for a month of October. Alright, so some of the things I wanted to do with Sober Vlogtober, since we're at the halfway point, let's run down the list and figure out how I've done. The first is making a video every day for the month of October. We're at the halfway point. More than likely this video will come out today. So yeah, check. I put out a video 15 days straight, including this video. The second thing, not drinking alcohol. Check. I haven't even been tempted. Alcohol is not hard for me to give up. Number 3, stop snacking. You know, I did have some taro, like fish things, dried fish things, which that is technically a snack. But you know, I've had like fruit. I've had like dragon fruit as a snack, cantaloupe. So I guess it was like potato chips and Snickers. So I must say I've been 99% following that one. I've had, you know, like I said, I've had like fruit. I've had edamame snacks, but not like I have been. I normally could eat 2 bags of Lay's potato chips, sour cream and onion one day. Normally 1, but you know, I've been known to have 2, and I'll have at least 1 Snickers a day, and I have not had one in the month of October. Next thing, cleanliness. Yeah, I kept my hotel room clean for the most part. The last day I did forget to make my bed. I didn't make my bed because I kind of like just went out on the bike. I was like, oh, I'll make it before I leave. You know, even though housekeeping was gonna come and just change all the bedding, because I was leaving later, but I was like, you know, it's a good habit to get into. So I didn't do that, so I'd give myself a 95 out of 100. What was the other thing? Oh, and I added a new one. When I went to that temple, and I had a little talk with that cow. Okay, it wasn't talking to cow, but I'm not going to eat beef. So like a new one I added, I'm not going to eat beef for the rest of this month, which should be easy. If I want to get a burger, I like pork burgers. They're pretty darn good. I don't eat a lot of beef here, so that's an easy one for me. So far, so good. As in for the weigh-in, today is Tuesday. Today is kind of the halfway point. It's the two-week mark. So it is weigh-in time. So after this, before I head out, I'll weigh myself. I'll grab my little camera and I'll vlog that one. I'm kind of tired, so today's going to be chill. I'm just catching up on some work at home. Onto the scale, And then from there, who knows? Alaigadai. That is Thai for up to you. So up to me. So wherever. All right, take it easy. Okay, on to the weigh-in. Here's my fancy 229 baht scale. Actually, let me recalibrate it. Okay, it's pretty calibrated. So I did have a bowl of cereal. I did have a cup of coffee today, but that's not bad. So let me give myself a weigh. The first weigh-in, I was 82 kilograms. Questionable. That was after lunch. That's at some crummy scale at 7-Eleven. I bought this and last week I was at 78 kilograms. So today, October 15th, 2019, here's the weigh-in. I'm gonna say 76 kilograms. So yeah, I think I might have lost a couple of kilograms. I mean, I've been riding the bike a lot, haven't been snacking, haven't been drinking beer, so okay, down to 76 kilograms. October 15th, 2019. See you someplace different than right here. All right, right now, if you recall, I cracked my iPhone screen. So right now, I'm going to call Apple, see what they could do. Supposedly, I look right. Supposedly, it's still under warranty. So let's call up Apple in Thailand.
For English, press 9.
9. I speak English.
Okay.
Confirm. Somehow they just sent something to my iPad. Interesting.
Calls are recorded for evaluation and training.
Oh boy. Hopefully I won't be without my phone for a long time.
Thank you for calling Apple. Calls are answered in the order they are received. We appreciate your patience. Apple is happy to offer a choice of music while you wait. For a selection of modern popular music,
no.
Press 1. For classical, 2.
No.
For jazz, 3.
No.
If you prefer to wait in silence, press 4.
Silence. Silence! Just got off from the nice guy in Australia from Apple, and he made an appointment for me to go to Central Airport. There's an official Apple service area there. So I have 12:20 service appointment. I guess today's gonna be Apple service day. So not only how to deal with broken or sick Apple devices, but just, electronics in general. So probably next time I see you, I'll see you at Central Airport. All right. Of course, there's a pit stop. I've been away for a couple days. And before I go to the Apple store, I want to go and have some grapao mu, basil pork, at the restaurant near my house in Chiang Mai. I miss it. Sorry, cup. What's going on? Okay. Will I buy a Chang? No way, baby. It's Sober Vlogtober. Let's eat. Sorry, cup. Grapao mu, kai dao cup. Cup in my cup. All right. And time is of the essence right now. My appointment's at 12:20 at the Apple store. It is 11:32 and it's near the airport. So I need to eat fast. All right, that was good, but you know what? I gotta get to the Apple store, please. That's where I need to get to. 3 minutes to my appointment. I know it's Thailand and we can be running a little late and stuff, but I hate being late. There it is, right there. iCare. It's right there. Wish me luck. Long story short, it's gonna be gone for a week. There's a good chance that the screen will be replaced, but there's an outside chance that it might not be replaced because of a warranty issue, because I had a third-party battery put into it. So, yeah, good times. I don't like October. No beer, no chocolate, no potato chips, no beef, now no phone. Sober October, I'm renaming it Somber October. Everyone knows I don't have a smartphone, so everyone's just getting out of my way. Like, be careful. That guy's edgy. He has no phone. Watch, this kid's gonna get right out of my way. Everyone's just sensing like danger. Cup in my cup. Bye bye. My motorbike is parked over there, I think. Yeah, there's some lady yelling right now, so I don't know if you can hear me. Nah, probably not. If you're sensitive to loud noises, Thailand's not a good place for you. There's a lot of loud noises. Even if you're out in the middle of nowhere, all of a sudden there'll be a truck playing something. Or there'll be... Let's see who's yelling. God, I'm far away. I can't escape the noise. Alright, I'm gonna go. Before I go home and start editing, I'm gonna go and see Tomkan, check in on him. Alright, see you by Tomkan. Oh, as soon as I stop videotaping, they stop yelling. Darn it. Oh well. I don't know, I'll have to see Tomkan. Cup. Alright, well, Tomkan is sleeping. I don't want to wake him up. So I'm just going to buy him some stuff. I'm going to head out. I know I've said that before, but this time I think he looks pretty out. So I'm going to end the video here. I'm going to go home and edit. So that's today. No phone. Oh well. Try to be more careful next time. So, let me know your experiences getting something serviced through the manufacturer extended warranty. Was it easy? Was it difficult? If you're in another country, let me know how it is. I think it would be a lot easier if I was doing this in the States. So yeah, comment on that below or any other comments you have about Sober Vlogtober. Today is the end of day 15. So coming up, day 16, whatever that has in store, I have no idea. Any suggestions? Please subscribe to this channel if you like content like this. And if you're not subscribed, please do so and click that bell. Get notifications. There's 16 more coming out. Halfway point. I lost some weight. Not bad. If you found this content fun, interesting, whatever, give it a thumbs up. And as always, no matter who you are or where you are, peace.